Right, you don't have sound effects?
I could. I just have to
Yeah,
do it. I can't use my phone to do it. But we are
yeah. Pew,
live.
pew, pew, pew,
What?
pew, pew, pew.
Pew, pew,
There
pew, 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 pew.
you go. What do you say? For quality content like that, please like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe if you want more pew pew content.
Pew, pew, pew.
And hit
Right?
that bell so you get a notification every time we upload new content.
Yeah, somebody that I watch says you can gently tap that button as well.
You can gently tap that button. Ooh, yeah. So, what's all this business?
What was that? So what is this business? Oh yeah, I sent you this thing, EKS workshop. You were talking about all of the Kubernetes and Helm and all that stuff.
Yes.
And I found this thing and I went through it. So I think it's a good exercise for you to go through it. And it's mostly just copy and paste, so it's pretty easy.
All right. Okay, so let's see.
What is this thing doing?
I think, well, it's a VPC Rare 53.
So
user going out to Route 53, and there's a front end application load balancer going to 3 availability zones through these instances to all these clusters. I think that's what's happening. Kubernetes.
Close enough. Kubernetes. Pew pew.
Pew 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 pew.
I think that's pretty close.
All right.
I don't have anything to add for that.
Oh well, let's look. All right.
It says it at the bottom. Actually, I just scrolled down. It says it on the bottom.
It says Route 53.
No, on the bottom there was words. Go back one.
Yoink. Boink. In this workshop, we will explore multiple ways to configure VPC, ALB, and EC2 Kubernetes workers and Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, which is cool.
And say Route 53.
It does at the bottom above that.
Yeah.
So this is the way it goes. There again, you need your cap.
So when I watch this thing, we don't need to watch this.
We don't need to watch it. It's 45 minutes. Plus, it's just us talking. Why would we watch ourselves talking?
Yeah, exactly.
I wish I was this beautiful. As those boys. Amazon EKS. It was in here. Provision EKS cluster. Amazon EC2 deploy worker nodes for your EKS cluster. Connect to EKS. And then run Kubernetes apps. Welcome to the Amazon EKS workshop. The intent of this workshop is to educate users about the features of Amazon EKS. Background in EKS, Kubernetes, Docker, and container workflows are not required, but they are recommended. This chapter will introduce you to the basic workings of Kubernetes, laying the foundation for the hands-on portion of the workshop. Specifically, we will walk you through the following topics: Kubernetes basics, Kubernetes architecture, Amazon EKS.
You said hands-on giggity.
Yep. Yeah, and I couldn't do any of this later in the week last week because I hit 750 hours because I changed availability zones after I did after I was doing a different tutorial. And I hit 750 hours because I left 3 instances running in a different availability zone.
Now you know.
84 cents. 84 cents later.
Oh my God! It broke the bank.
Yep.
You're going to be spending. You're going to be spending tens of dollars soon.
Okay, so in this section, we'll cover the following topics. That's on the free tier, obviously. What is Kubernetes? Kubernetes nodes, gates, Kubernetes objective overview, object detail, and object detail 2. Okay, we'll try not to rush. Whoa! What is Kubernetes? It's an open source container management platform, helps you run at scale, provides objects and APIs for building modern applications built on over a decade of experience and best practices, utilizes declarative configuration, and automation, draws upon a large ecosystem of tools, services, and support. For more information, visit the official website.
I don't need to.
Not today. I can do that another day on my own. The machines that make up a Kubernetes cluster are called nodes, also known as worker nodes.
My nodes right here.
Take it from
Like in Quebec, you got a problem with your nodes.
I'm at the nodes. Kubernetes cluster may be physical or virtual. There are two types of nodes. A control plane node type.
I didn't know that. I didn't know that Kubernetes cluster could be physical or virtual. I thought it was only virtual.
Yeah, that was my impression too. A control plane node type, which makes up the control plane, acts as the brains of the cluster. A worker node type, which makes up the data plane, runs the actual container images via pods. We'll dive deeper into how nodes interact with each other later in the presentation.
All right.
Kubernetes object overview. They are entities that are used to represent the state of the cluster. An object is a record of intent. Once created, the cluster does its best to ensure it exists as defined. This is known as the cluster's desired state. Kubernetes is always working to make an object's current state equal to the object's desired state. A desired state can describe what pods, containers, are running and on which nodes, IP endpoints that map to a logical group of containers, how many replicas of a container are running, and much more. Let's explain how these Kubernetes objects in a bit more detail.
Wait. You said Kubernetes, and it says K8.
Yeah, I know.
Kates.
Kates.
Like you're flexing now.
Like Zoe says, I got muscles like this. So she shows me her muscles. She's 3, she can't help it. Okay, a pod is a thin wrapper. Like a safe that you don't want to use, like the kids like to say in England. A thin wrapper around one or more containers, that's a pod. A daemon set implements a single instance of a pod on a worker node. Deployment details how to roll out or roll back across versions of your application. This is all important. Replica set ensures a defined number of pods are always running. Job ensures a pod properly runs to completion. Service maps a fixed IP address to a logical group of pods. Label, key value pair, used for association and filtering. Make sense?
Yep.
In this section, we'll cover the following topics: architectural overview, control plane, data plane, Kubernetes cluster setup.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, man, a kubelet. A kubepartsy. What did she call it? The lady I watched her do a 15-minute thing, like explain in 15 minutes, but she was using Homebrew. Was she said kubectl.
kubectl is one of the ways, and kubectl is one of the other ways. There's probably a few more.
I just go blah. Blah. Everybody knows what I mean.
Yeah.
Okay, not really. Wait, that's weird. I want to go back. Okay.
Is there anything
under
there?
No, that's what I wanted to check. If there's anything under the picture, it's pretty. Like you can look at the picture. It's pretty. Makes sense. API server, kubectl, controller manager, scheduler. Blah.
That's the control plane.
Yeah. One or more API servers, entry point for REST, kubectl, kubectl, etcd, distributed key value store. So that's important. Remember that. Controller manager always evaluating current versus desired state. And the scheduler does schedules pods. It schedules pods to worker nodes. Check out the official documentation for more in-depth explanation of control plane components. No.
We don't need no stinking documentation. Data plane.
Weird part of aspects of the new job I was telling you about off stream is I'm going to start having to write manuals.
Oh yeah, you're gonna have to learn README or Markdown.
Yeah.
Just write everything in Markdown and GitHub. Don't even bother with anything else. All your manuals are period.
That's a good idea.
Made a decision for you.
Yep. Made up of worker nodes. Kubelet acts as a conduit between the API server and the node. Kubeproxy manages IP translation and routing.
That's the data plane.
Yeah, it's the data plane. And then there's the cluster setup. So you have the Minikube.
I think, what is this one? This one, in addition to managed EKS solutions, there's many other tools, blah, 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 blah. I think I messed around with Minikube and screwed up something.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cops, what you gonna do?
Oh, Cloud Brothers.
Yep. learning development production, Kubernetes learning development production, Docker for Mac learning development, Kubernetes and Docker learning development. Alongside these open source solutions, there are also many commercial options available. Let's take a look at Amazon EKS. Oh wait, let's see what's happening here. Oh, man. Okay, it's me talking to me. EKS, Amazon EKS. In this section, we'll cover creation workflow, what happens when you create a cluster, EKS cluster, EKS architecture for control plane and worker node communication, high level, and then Amazon EKS. Yay!
All right, let's plow through this quick. I'm bored.
EKS cluster, worker nodes, launch add-ons, launch workloads. Okay, got you. Okay, create. This is just what we're doing.
Yeah.
So VPC, worker nodes, ENI attachment, kubectl logs, static IPs, network load balancer, EPC. Yep, very lovely. Yeah, I like your diagrams. Yep, high level. This is the 2D of the thing that we started with. Stay tuned as we continue the journey. Always ask questions. Slack.
You did Slack next.
I already. Yeah, I think I don't know.
Yeah.
Running the workshop on your own. Only complete this section if you're running the workshop on your own.
Yeah, this is
did it already. I already made that. Create new user. I think I already did that. I already got one.
Yeah, you can look at the on the left, the navigation menu on the left. You can shortcut a little bit. You can skip 2 ahead from where you are. You're on create an AWS account. Yeah, you can skip to create a workspace.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
All right, so I have to do so in here, I'm in my root account, but that's fine. Because that's fine. It normally wouldn't be fine. I know that. Don't come after me. Don't cancel me for working in my root account.
You're not going to get audited. The only thing you need to worry about is if your corporation's going to get audited for that kind of thing.
Yeah, so I already know that Canada Central allows EKS, so I'm going to open that. So launch Cloud 9 in your closest region. Make sure your ad blockers are off. So I've got to search for Cloud 9.
Yeah.
Cloud 9. Hello, Cloud 9. Thank you.
I don't use this very much. I should use it more.
Okay, so I launched that. Select create environment. So here it is. Create environment. You know what I'm going to do is, hold on. I'm going to do this one.
Oh, you got it. There you go.
Yeah.
Nice. Is that Windows 11 thing?
Where are you? Yeah. Where is this one? Yeah. There you go.
That's your internet.
Oh, that's weird. Oh yeah, because I don't have hold on, how do I do this? I'm gonna have to change this.
I'll just
hold on. No, it's fine.
Split it into 2 windows.
It's fine. Don't worry, I already did it. Calm down. Calm down. I already had done it, but I was just sharing the Chrome app in OBS, so it looked weird.
Oh, I see.
But now I had it pre-set up, so I just had to change the visible window to the display instead of the window capture. Whatever, it doesn't matter. So, oh, you're right. That's internet. I get what you're saying, though. It's the wrong one.
Yeah. All I gotta do is pull the one tab out. Yeah, like that. Yeah.
Hey.
Doesn't it separate?
Yeah, it should. I just gotta pick the correct one here. Where is it? Okay, I think I just gotta pull this. I'm moving the tab over is what my problem is. Put this here. There we go. Now it's better. Okay, so yeah, so I'm gonna create a environment. I'm gonna name it X Workshop.
X.
EKS Workshop. Choose, I don't have to describe it. Next step. Create a new, I want to do a T3 small instance type. Recommended for small size web projects. Presuming Linux would be fine. Linux 2.
I think it says accept the defaults for the rest there. Take all defaults for the rest.
So that's fine. Create environment. Boom. Oh yeah, all default values. Press Alt-Shift-T to reopen a tab you closed. I will not. Closing the welcome tab.
Yeah, Cloud9's neat. It makes an AWS instance in the background for you with all your stuff for working on things. And instead of making like a jump box or a bastion host to work on things in your account, or if you're working, you don't have access to your laptop or whatever, and you want to work on Amazon stuff, you still have an option with this.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. All right, so now it says closing the welcome tab. So I close this welcome tab.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Oh, that was weird.
Yeah, there's a new one comes up too. You can close the quick start thing too.
So now it's going to ask me to open a new terminal in the working, in the main work area, closing the lower work area.
Right. You see, it's EC2 user.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it made an instance.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so your workspace should now look like this. It does. If you intend to run all sections in this workshop, it will be useful to have more storage available for all the repositories and tests.
No. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to build it up and tear it down.
Well, it just says all the sections in the workshop.
Oh, sorry. Actually, yes, you have to do this. I was incorrect.
It will be useful to have more storage available for all the repositories and tests. The following command adds more disk space to the root volume of the EC2 instance. So we'll do that.
Yeah. It's a handy command to have too, actually, just for your own DevOps purposes.
So we're upgrading Boto.
Boto 3 is, well, actually, what is that doing? Describe volumes. No, it's increasing the volume size. See, it says resize EC2, modify volume.
Yep, to size 30.
Yeah, so it's making your 30 gig hard drive. Say somebody wanted you to change it from 30 to 50, change that number from 30 to 50 and rerun that code. That's actually useful code.
Unable to run the AWS toolkit and Git panel.
No, that's a refresh because it restarted. Okay. The last command in your code there is reboot. You see that?
Yeah, sudo reboot. Got you. Because this is Linux, right? Linux 2. So
yeah, correct.
This is a Linux instance. Okay, so we did that. Oh, it bounced me up a little bit, so I just got to go to the next one.
Yeah.
All right, so I need to install the Kubernetes tool. Blah blah blah. Yeah. IAM authentication. Sudo curl silent. So this is giving me an IAM role.
This is installing this is installing the kubectl or kubectl.
Or the AWS IAM Authenticator binary to allow IAM authentication for your cluster.
Yeah, you have to. I think the IAM stuff is further down the screen.
Okay, so, but this one's just for the. Yeah, I got you. Silence.
Yeah, worked.
Nice. And then I want to update the AWS CLI.
Yeah, is it update or install?
It says update. Upgrade according to guidance documentation.
Yeah.
I'll just take the word for it. Install JQ from new.
Hang on a second. Look at your output. Look at your output.
That's weird.
Yeah. So you got to do the last one again.
Why did it do that? Did I copy the wrong one? I don't think so. There's no copy for that.
You click the right button. Just click the AWS one again and do it again.
Huh.
You
Yeah,
know?
it's way different. Yeah, it didn't make any sense.
Yeah, you pay attention to that, especially when you're doing copy paste stuff.
Yeah, no kidding. But like, where did it even come from?
It was the one before it. You just ran the same command twice.
Oh, so it was telling me that I just want to look at it.
Yeah,
Oh, I
you
can't.
ran the
I
same
can't
command.
anyway. It's too.
Oh, okay.
There's too much.
What you did, you didn't. So it looked like you copied it into the clipboard, but
But
I
it
don't
didn't.
think it did.
No, I didn't. It was just telling me that you already did it.
Yeah,
I think.
yeah, yeah.
So I just did install sudo yum. Or no, I did this one because that's the one I
Yeah,
missed. So now I have to do this one. Sudo yum install get
yeah,
text bash.
correct.
Yeah,
And then it moved
that's
up
weird.
again.
It's
Wonder why it does
I
that.
don't know because it
Here's
does
the JQ, and the GNU.
the good.
Get text utilities.
I think that's what I'm on now. Yep, there it goes.
Yeah, JQ is useful. We use that a lot. It's for querying JSON.
Yeah. So we're doing. So I just said that
Yeah, now you're installing YQ for
for
YAML.
YAML. Yep. All right.
And there's JQ and YQ.
And then
Kind
we just did this. We did this.
Yeah.
And now it is time to verify the binaries that are in the path and executable. AWS in path. Yay.
Yeah.
So kubectl.
Enable kubectl bash completion.
Looks like that's done. That was that. Set the AWS load balancer controller version.
That's interesting. Never seen that before. That must be a load balancer thing.
All
I
right.
think.
Create an IAM role for your workspace.
Well, now you can. You want to do that again? Because you already have one of these. So you'd have to edit this out now. Or do you want to delete it? You've already made one of these last time.
Well, I think that I erased it.
No, you made it manually.
No, I know, but I went in and then I erased it. So you mean like within Cloud9 or because if
No, you went into the account, into the AWS account. Just open up another tab there, or console. If you just start typing console, here, I'll just show you a trick.
Okay, let's try that again.
No, go open the tab, type console. And then let's go back. Console.
Well, I know, I could see it. I was doing the exact same thing.
Just click the fourth one down.
Yeah. I don't know.
Oh, I thought it was okay. There's an easier way to do this too.
It'll just log me in. Like
You
but
can just, if you just duplicate the tab and then
but you're talking about or just go IAM. But if I go to IAM, I'm pretty sure I got rid of it.
All right.
But we'll see. I might not have. But it might have been an oversight. Users. Yep, I got rid of it.
And they have one user? Okay.
Yep.
All right, well, good. Good, actually. It's good. Leave that in there that's like an Easter egg. Now people know some shit. It's not the first time. Shh. Anyway, so
no, that's from my Udemy. That's my Udemy IAM role. That has nothing to do with this.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, we need to make IAM role now.
So one add this is under users, but I want to put under roles. Oh yeah, here it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
So now just keep it though.
Yeah, I'll keep it. So I just pop back over here. Yeah, like it's already there. So I was thinking that I got rid of the user, but I doubt, like I forgot about the IAM role, the depth of the role. That's
Yeah.
fine.
That's
So
good. At the same time, happy.
already done.
You can skip through all of the.
Attach the IAM role to your workspace. Is
I think we did that too. I think you can check though. Easy way to check. Just go to your go to the IAM console tab
yeah.
and go to EC2. The heck happened there?
I don't know. I must have typed it at the wrong spot. No, it's not.
Yeah, click on the. I don't know what happened there.
Not sure.
Oh no, this is a new one. This is a new one, so it hasn't been done yet. So yes, so go into your running instances.
Oh yeah, that's fair. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
and then right click is probably the easiest way. Just right click on it. Just right click anywhere, and then security, and then modify IAM role. Not the security group, the IAM role.
security. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay. Then I gotta choose the AKS workshop.
Yeah.
Because the instance is brand new. It makes sense.
We had that pre-prepared through the magic of television.
Yeah. All right.
All right, so that's done.
So that's done. Update IAM settings for your workspace. So now I got to ensure temporary credentials aren't in place. Blah, 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 blah. So we'll do this.
Do you know how to clear the screen?
Yeah, you type clear or
You want to? You don't have to, but if you want to, it cleans up stuff. Lets you know where you are a little easier.
yeah, I like doing that.
There you go.
All
Done.
right. If you're at an AWS event, ask your instructor which region to use.
What region are we in, instructor? I believe we're in Canada A. A?
Do I have to enter that? No, I shouldn't.
No, I think it's automatic. I think that's fine. What's that say? Access
An
denied.
error. Cloud9 update environment. CI manage credentials disable. That was above. An error occurred. Access denied exception when calling the update environment operation. Access resource name. This assumed role EKS workshop admin isn't allowed to manage credentials because they're not the environment owner. Huh.
I think you have to restart this thing. I think you have to refresh. Like refresh the browser.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
I'll try it again. Yeah, there you
Yeah,
go.
that worked. Okay, so better. Okay, so test region.
It probably said that in there somewhere. No, you did the same thing again. You copied the same.
Well, I just
thing.
said this.
Yeah, and now you're doing the testing one.
Yeah, that's the one I just did, or is supposed to.
No, that's not what you did.
No, obviously, I can see that.
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah, so
Nice.
that's correct. That's where I am. Right up higher. Let's save these into Bash profile. I got to make sure I see that copied to clipboard confirmation.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Default region, get caller identity CLI command to validate that the Cloud9 IDE is using the correct IAM role. So that's this. Copied to clipboard. IAM role valid. Great.
Nice.
Great.
It says do not proceed, but we can proceed.
Yeah. Yeah. I feel like I had issues with this at some point in the past. Okay. Clone the service repos.
I got so many issues it makes up a volume.
Bum, bum, bum.
For more quality content like this.
Like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bells so you get notified when we go live and you get quality content. Okay.
That's a good one.
That looked like it worked.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to just do it clear again. Let's go over here. Clear because it's we're not blocking it.
Yeah, that's exactly.
Create a CMK for the EKS cluster to use when encrypting your Kubernetes secrets. Copy to clipboard. Metadata. An error occurred.
It's fine. Already exists. Means you've done it already. You've already got a KMS key for that. It's fine.
Fine. Okay, so let's retrieve the ARN to input the copy to clipboard.
Good.
Set the master ARN environment, make it either, and let's save the master ARN environment to variable into the bash profile. No.
Yeah, nice. Done.
All right. Launch.
EKS Console. EKS Console. All right.
Okay, we've got the next because there's nothing in. Kernel silent location. For this module, we need to download that to the binary.
The EKS CTL binary.
Oh, that looked good. Confirm the command works. The command.
Excellent.
Ooh, that's new to me. Enable the EKS CTL bash completion. Nice. I like it.
Yeah.
Do not proceed unless you have validated the IAM role. Okay. It's valid. We did it. You will not be able to run the necessary command. Expand here to see the solution. No, I do not need a solution because it is working.
I don't need. I'm 100% skill.
Yeah. Okay, I copied it to clipboard. Wait. This is going to be a long one, I think.
Yeah, it's fine though. Oh yeah, clear's a good idea.
Okay, yeah. So that worked.
I just made a file for you called EKS Workshop YAML.
Thank you very much. Next, you use the file you created as an input for cluster creation. See, when it does that, I think that's what's been happening. When it does that, it doesn't copy to clipboard because it just goes up. But
yeah, you might be hitting the white space or something, or just off.
Maybe.
Or the UI is off.
Whoa.
Both. Yeah, no, that's good. That's what you want. It's doing the things.
All right. This will take approximately 15 minutes. So
you can oh no, you can't. Never mind.
So what I'm gonna do is like we can set it. I can pause this because I can actually pause the recording on OBS now, which is a new thing. And then when we come back, it'll be 15 minutes from now, but it'll only be 5 seconds to you. But you know what you can do while you're waiting? You can like and subscribe for more quality content like this. Stay tuned. That's weird. This pause button is. Hey, I'm recording. That took no time at all.
Wow. Wish everything was that fast.
Yeah, me too.
Wait, take a look at what it did there on the thing. It did a bunch of cloud formation, it looks like.
Yeah, CloudFormation stack. A lot of it.
Yeah.
Oh
I
yeah,
think what that EKS control thing does, I think it writes cloud formation for you
yeah.
because we didn't write any cloud formation.
Using regions, subnets, and making node groups.
So you want to look at the template or another time?
Another time, I'll just go through this.
Yeah. Okay. Because it doesn't say look at the template, but we could if we wanted to.
Nah.
Uh,
So confirm your nodes. So this is testing the cluster.
What's the cluster? So you have
So
a cluster running apparently.
so I have to kubectl get nodes.
Yeah. That command I've ran before.
Oh, they're already all my. Okay.
I have to do a clear and
Yes.
run that again
That's a good
behind my
idea.
head.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, so I think I can just repaste that. There you go. And so you can see
So
the.
you've deployed a Kubernetes cluster using EKS.
Yeah. Woohoo!
Yeah.
So export the worker role name for use throughout the workshop. Congratulations. So you now have a fully working
Wait, I didn't do
Amazon
that.
AKS, but I got to do this first, right? Or that's not true. All right.
Well, still true,
Still true, I
but
guess.
you're exporting it so you can use it.
Noise.
So that export role thing, I think I don't know if I've ever told you what export does.
No, let's go. Let's
That's a
go.
That's a local variable for you.
Nice.
So export role name equals blah 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 is what it got from the previous command.
Nice.
So you have a local variable in Linux that you can call by if you do echo. Actually, do this echo. I think it's $sign role name or just role name.
Without a
No,
dollar
like
sign?
uppercase. Case is important.
Like this?
Yeah. But try it without the $sign. I might be wrong about dollars. No, I need the underscore. Look at the variable. Export role underscore name.
What?
Look.
Oh,
Well,
I see. Echo. Okay. I didn't know where you're getting the role name from.
oh, sorry.
Well,
Okay, put it with
take
the
dollar
sign
sign back. All right. Role underscore name.
Yeah,
There it
there you
goes.
go. So that's you set the variable with that command, and to get the variable out, that's how you get the variable out.
Very
Export makes a local variable for you. There you go.
nice.
Okay.
Nerds.
Nerds. Yeah. All right. So congratulations. Nice job.
Okay, so thank you. This step is optional. That's nearly all is. But if you'd like full access to your workshop cluster, this console, EKS console, this step is recommended. The EKS console allows you to see not only the configuration aspects of your cluster, but also to view Kubernetes cluster, such as deployments, pods, and nodes. By default, the credentials. Is this worth doing?
No.
Okay, I didn't think so. It sounds dumb. I don't do it. Okay. Well,
If you weren't going to tear it down,
well, yeah, I don't want to keep, but like, I don't want to be charged. I'm not going to use those right away. But it's good that I made a Kubernetes cluster because that
learning exercise.
function.
Yes.
It's great.
Most people, you can put that on your LinkedIn now. You can get endorsed for starting a Kubernetes cluster.
Yeah.
Has started a Kubernetes cluster.
Yeah. Oh yeah,
Right.
beginner. Yeah, we already. Yeah. Oh, this is all the extra stuff. Gotcha.
Oh
Okay.
no, we want to go for beginner. We haven't done this yet.
Oh, we didn't do this one. Oh, we are doing this. Okay, sweet.
All we've done is set up to start.
Oh, we set up to start. So now we have a Kubernetes cluster that we can do our beginner stuff on. So that's cool.
Correct.
Great. Deploy the Kubernetes dashboard. Okay. And connect it through our Cloud9 workspace. Fine. Okay, we can deploy the dashboard with the following command. Let's do it. I'm in. Boom.
Check.
Looks like that worked.
Yeah, looks like it worked.
Since this is applied to a private cluster, it is cluster, it is via a proxy. Copy to clipboard. Boom.
Well, you should scroll up there too on the website because you're blocking the kubectl.
Oh yeah, there you go. So we're here. So I'm doing this 8080 thing to listen to all interfaces.
Oh yeah. So now you have a proxy server running on. You have a kubectl proxy running on port 8080. Do you know what that means?
No.
Okay. Pretty sure the next step is going to say go to the address of your local host and try to log into the dashboard. Pretty sure that's going to be the next step.
Right. So this one says it's not deployed by default, but there are instructions that we can deploy our dashboard with the following commands. So I got to do this? Or is this the same one? This is the one it just did.
Yeah, exactly.
So access the dashboard. So I want to do this and then scroll to the end of the URL and append.
Yeah. So here go.
Is this done yet?
No. Go tools, preview.
Oh, right. Preview running application.
Yeah.
Click on that.
Yeah.
It's here, right?
Click in that bar. Go to the end and paste what you got in the clipboard.
Oh, I don't want a double slash though, right? I want a single slash, so I should get rid of the slash.
I don't know. I don't know. Just try it.
Okay, just let me do this.
I don't know if the double slash or the slash makes a difference. No, you got rid of everything. You need to keep everything and that.
No, I didn't.
Oh, no, you didn't? Okay, hang on. Maybe you don't need, maybe the double slash is bad then.
Okay, hold on. Tools. Preview.
Oh, hang on a second. Your thing's not running. Your web server is not running. You see what you've done? Or see what's happened?
Oh, yeah.
You're not going to be serving anything. That's never going to connect unless that's running. You can't stop that.
What? I didn't stop it. Well, I did because I tried to do it, so I have to do it again, I think. I have to go back here.
Yeah, run that again. Run the disable the. You can just up arrow. Go back.
Oh yeah.
Go over.
Yeah.
Go over. Go
I know.
up arrow.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do that again. And now I just put my hands back on my head like this, and don't touch the keyboard. Listen, it's already in use.
Ah, crap. Well, that sucks. I don't know how to stop the other. I don't know how to stop the proxy. Or am I wrong? I could be wrong. Just cancel that. I could be wrong. It could be running. And that thing gave you, yeah, actually, let's give you, yeah, I'm wrong. Control C on that one. Now do the thing that it said again. Go to the tools and then running blah, blah, blah.
Yeah. All right. Okay, so have that. Tools. Yeah, I don't really like how this is set up, like how it's non-specific. Yeah, although it's the only URL, like it's not these.
That's reading what's there.
Okay, so it's gonna try this double slash.
There you go. Double slash was it. So now should say something about the kube config. You need to pop that out, yeah. Pop that out. And then
pop-up button to open the login screen.
Yeah, I need the next one, the get token. So go back to the URL one, or go back to the terminal.
Yeah, which is here. Hold on, I just want to take clear. Enter. Oh, it says open a new terminal. Does it matter?
Yeah. You can also probably, no, never mind. Yeah, just go ahead. I think it does matter, yes.
Hmm.
What's this one? No, that's yeah, you didn't paste it again. That's the previous clipboard.
Oh, yeah, so it is.
Yeah.
Hold on. All
Yeah,
right.
so I think that whole thing.
I want to copy everything from top to bottom.
No, that in token.
Oh, no, I want to go in this one. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I want to go in this one.
Yeah, cool your jets, Mugford.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa! That's new.
So maximize that for a second.
Yep.
Full screen. We'll explore that a little bit.
Okay.
So that's the Kubernetes dashboard.
Nice.
And that's your Kubernetes cluster in there.
Yep, my cluster IP is 10.100.0.1.
I think if you click on the nodes, click on nodes, upper left hand, yeah. Those are the 3 nodes. That's the 3 EC2s that are running in your cluster. So that's
Well,
cool.
that is a heck of an accomplishment. Thank you, tutorial. And Mr. Mugford.
Yeah, no worries. Okay, let's see what else they got. See how much longer you want to go for, because that's pretty good. Don't know how much more they do here.
Access
dashboard,
We did
and then
that.
they clean up.
Yeah, it's cleanup. So
You clean up now.
so I can just close this and go back to I can close the Kubernetes dashboard.
Yeah, unless you want to explore it a little bit.
No, not really. I think it's pretty good. We're hitting we are at 47 minutes of actual recording, so then we can pop this straight up to YouTube since everything's working. So I'll just close this and I guess this one. I leave that open for a second. Just to double check, I guess. Go to here and I will say clear.
You can close the dashboard. You don't need the dashboard anymore. Get rid of that one, yeah.
But I need this, right?
Yeah, you need that, absolutely.
So I need the terminal, so but
You need the terminal, correct.
yeah,
Correct.
so here we go.
Yeah,
All right.
good.
So I killed the proxy. And I delete the dashboard environment. Deploy the example microservices. What?
Huh?
That's weird.
What happened there? We went from cleanup to deploy. Strange thing. Is that part of the?
I know it's weird. It just jumped up for no reason. You see that? Or weird.
Yeah. Where were we?
I don't know. So we deployed the Kubernetes dashboard, did the example.
Yeah, we never did it. No, we didn't do any sample application.
Oh, so we don't have to do that.
Unless you want to. It doesn't take that long.
Well, didn't I just kill the proxy though? So would that work?
That's what it told you to do, and the thing, I think all it was telling you was that you can get to a dashboard, and then tore down the dashboard, so you didn't have to tear it down later, I guess.
So where was I? I'm so confused right now. Beginner, Helm.
Deploy the Kubernetes dashboard. You did that. Just go through.
Okay. And then I was beginner.
Yeah.
Okay, so it was beginner.
Yeah. And now you got to. Yeah, we didn't get very far in this thing.
Oh, okay.
You only did like the deploy Kubernetes dashboard. Oh, did we skip ahead?
I don't know.
Maybe you gotta deploy the dashboard again. Clean up. Yeah, look at the structure of the menu there. Kubernetes, deploy the dashboard, access the dashboard, clean up, deploy the example microservices.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we're on deploy example microservices.
Yeah, we can do the rest. I just was confused by it. I thought that was the end.
I thought it was the end too.
Yeah, so that's okay. Let's see what happens here. that deploy your sample applications. In the sample file above, we describe blah, 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 how it should be deployed. The container is listed on port 3000. Fine. Okay.
That's a Node.js application.
Okay, yeah, let's do this.
Let's do it. I think what this does, if I remember correctly, is it makes that thing, thing on the cover when we first started.
Okay, we can watch the progress by looking at the deployment. Okay, sure, let's do it. 12 seconds old. All right, it made a node. Copy and paste the following commands to bring up the Crystal backend API.
Yeah, it's spoon feeding you application.
Yep.
Sample app.
And then
that's okay.
And then we can watch.
Okay, interesting.
So we're using this YAML for a front-end service, port 3000, TCP, no specific service. We find that the default cluster IP, this exposes the service cluster. They're only reachable in AWS accounts that have never created a load balancer for. It's possible that the service for ELB might not exist yet. We can check for the role.
Yeah, it's got one.
I already got one. Let's bring up the Ruby front end.
I don't want to see this.
Why?
Oh, is that what you want to do? Okay, do that. Yeah, do it.
Why?
I don't know.
I don't understand.
Isn't that what we just did?
I have no idea.
Okay, maybe not.
I don't think so.
Okay.
Because I didn't have to do this. I don't really get.
No, you never had to do that. Yeah, just keep copy and pasting.
Yeah, of course. Copy to clipboard.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Cool. Okay, we can watch the progress. You can probably skip over the watching the progress, but it'll say
Yeah, we can skip. We can
available
skip
0.
That's good to, maybe not, because it's good to know that they're running.
Yeah, that's true. You can see that it's loading. It's not available yet. So load balancer, we need to find the ELB's address. We can do this by doing a get service.
There you go. There's your load balancers.
ARN.
Yeah.
Notice the field isn't wide enough to show the FQDN of the ELB. Eh?
The fully qualified domain name. It's the .com thing. It's not going to do wide because your thing's not.
Oh,
wide
because
I'm
because I'm squished in for the stream or for the recording.
Fine.
If we wanted to use the data programmatically, we can also output via JSON. Hey, none of that. Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fair. I get it. I'm not going to read it all, and I'm also going to type clear because, yikes.
Yeah, you got your ELBs working.
Now that we have a running service, load balancer, we need to find the ELB's address. I just read all this. Isn't this we did this entire page?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's some weird thing with the UI.
Okay. When we launched our services, we launched one container of each. We can confirm this by running the pods. Yeah, there you go. 112 seconds. Interesting. Now let's scale up the backend services.
Yeah, so this is your it doesn't actually matter, but if you were looking at your AWS console, you would see that you can go to instances. You'll have more instances now. Just refresh that.
Oh yeah, I should have quite a few more, I think. Or at least 3, 4 total. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it doesn't matter. I don't want to digress too much, but if you went into load balancers, you would see that you're setting your load balancer stuff, but you're doing it programmatically. So don't even need to look at the console.
No, I know. Yeah, I know it's happening because yeah. Did I do this one yet? Nope. The scale up.
You just did that one, yeah.
I did.
Yeah. Look at the
You're right.
yeah.
Okay, so I gotta do this one. Confirm by looking at the deployments again.
Yeah. Now there's 3. They're not all 3 yet, though. See that?
Oh yeah, the availability.
Oh no, they are 3 out of 3. So
Up
you
to
did. You
date.
only. So you left the front end as 1, 1 of 1, and then the Crystal and Node.js are 3 of 3. So they are in service.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Same thing again.
Yep. Let's also scale our front end service. Fair enough. Because we did.
Yeah, it's doing that thing. No, go back. Go back. You missed the drop arrow.
Oh yeah. Why would it do that? It's dumb.
But what it's doing that is it's for your homework. It's for you to try it without.
Oh, I was supposed to guess what I was supposed to write.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. No thanks.
Yeah, no. Yeah, that'll work.
Okay.
Uh,
To delete the resources created applications,
yeah.
we should delete the application deployments. Undeploy the applications. Womp womp.
Hang on a second. It doesn't even say to go look at it. There's nothing to look at. Like there's a web server IP address somewhere that you should be able to see something now. I don't know which one's your web.
This one. We'll should have a public.
Actually, sorry, your load balancer. Go to your load balancer. Sorry, go to your load balancer in here.
Nope.
What are you doing?
I was just entering the public IP for DNS.
No, don't just go to the load balancer. Everything is through your load balancer. It's how the load balancers work.
Where is it? There you are.
So there is somewhere in here behind my head, there's a domain, right where it says elb.amazon.com. Just gonna scroll up. Yeah. That whole thing, no, just the name, not the DNS, just the name. Or is that, I can't see it because it's behind, you gotta.
But how would that work? And where do I enter that?
You want to enter the DNS name into a URL and only the DNS name. Everything up to .com. Yeah, there.
Yeah, that's what I said. That's what I was clicking on, and you told me to go to name.
I can't see it.
Whatever.
I can't see it because it's behind my head.
Whatever, Broheim.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh yeah, and see how it's changing between the IP addresses as it. Oh wow.
Yeah, probably somewhere in there or somewhere next it tells you to do that. But this is the actual thing that we started with.
Fascinating. Yeah.
Working. So you made this. It's doing shit. And all it's doing is.
Yeah. Go on.
It's
Sorry.
It's just doing the front end of where it is. Right?
Yeah.
So look at the IPs changing.
Yeah, it's cool. Because the availability zones are bouncing around.
Yeah.
Based on these nodes. It's so cool. All right, I'm gonna have a seizure, so I'm gonna turn that off.
Yeah. It's not a great thing to look at for a long time, but it's good to know what you did.
Absolutely. Yeah. So
we have skipped that, but whenever I needed to look for it. So
I didn't see it.
I didn't see it either.
Also check the browser tab. Yeah, right here. Also check the browser tab where we can see our application running. You should now see traffic flowing to multiple backend services.
Oh, it just doesn't tell you how to do it.
Yeah. So that's exactly what it is. And then scale the front end. So we did all that. Oh,
No.
okay. So I'm gonna. This is teardown, I guess.
Yeah, tear down. We deployed a microservice into a Kubernetes cluster using
Nice.
EKS.
Nerds.
Nerds.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so well, that's deleting. Like and subscribe for more quality content. Like and subscribe if you wanna be cool like us. Get some nice Corsair headphones.
Oh,
Then
you got new headphones? Didn't notice.
oh yeah. I sent my oldest friend a skull mug for his 50th birthday, and in return he sent me Corsair headphones the next day.
Nice.
All right. What's next? Helm.
Oh. So here's your options here.
Well, there's
Okay.
a lot of more tutorial to go.
Yeah. So I think
we'll cut it here. Yeah, I think we'll call it here.
And then we'll set it up for Helm later and figure out how to make this the cheapest for you. The cheapest way to do it is just make it all again. But
yeah, instead of leaving it for a week or two. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do that because I would like to learn Helm too.
You got to prep.
Reasons. Yeah, I got to do some prep.
You got to prep for the next one and get to this point with the next one.
Yeah, it's a good idea, and it'll just give me a stronger understanding of it. Like I can just do it after work when I get home, because it won't take me long to do now that I've done.
No, now that you know the gotchas.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway.
Exactly.
Like
so
Cloud Brothers.
Cloud Brothers. Woo!